Today's lesson has two steps. One is graph some lines, and the graphing calculator will graph the lines. You just have to type it. And then answer some questions about those lines. And yes, my theme is skiing, so I went with it. Who knew? The first thing you're going to do is read the directions on your board. Problem number one. It says 1. Go to the Desmos graphing calculator site. Click on the link, it will take you there. Type in the following in separate boxes. I will show you how to type these equations in the Desmos graphing calculator. Our first equation was y equals 2x minus 1. No spaces, just type it in and press enter on your keyboard. It takes you down to the next box. My other equation was y equals 2x plus 4. Again, just type it right in there. 2x plus 4, no spaces, nothing, press enter. Notice you get two lines, and they're color coordinated. So this one's green, so that's that line, and this one's red, so that is that line. Then what I want you to do is kind of look at the lines. Do they cross anywhere? You can grab this and follow the lines for a while that way. Grab it, follow the lines that way a little bit. What I'm noticing is that these lines never cross. They never intersect. So now I'm going to go answer some questions about my lines. The first thing says, the lines intersect. Circle one, yes or no. Well, my lines did not. So I'm just going to circle no. They did not intersect. If they intersect, click on the point where they cross and put the coordinates there. Mine didn't, so I'm just going to cross that out. What do you notice about the lines and how they cross or don't cross? Are they parallel or perpendicular or something else? Well, I noticed that my lines never cross, so I know that means they're parallel. So I would just write the word parallel on this line. And notice, in the word parallel, there is a set of parallel lines. The two L's are parallel. Well, what if you have a fraction and a negative? I'll show you how to do that. Let's type this one in and this one in. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1. So let's put that in there. Y equals negative 1, use your slash, third. And then arrow over to the right. Use your arrow key on your keyboard. That takes me there. X plus 1. I think it said plus 1. And what's the other one say? Y equals 3x plus 2. Let's put that one on there. Y equals 3x plus 2. Notice we still have a red line, so that's this one, and a green line. That is that one. And they intersect. So I can click on that spot where they cross, right there, and it gives me the point. They cross at negative 0.3, 1.1. That information might come in handy. Let's go look. I would answer some questions. The lines intersect, yes or no? Well, those lines intersected, so I definitely want to circle yes. What is the point where the two lines intersect? Well, one of my students put this. They didn't use my little thing that I put there, but that's okay. They might not have had room. You can do the same. And then what do you notice about the lines and how they cross or don't cross? Are they parallel or perpendicular or something else? Well, I know when two lines cross at 90 degrees, like a right angle, that they are perpendicular lines. So this student circled perpendicular. They were too lazy to write it on the line. That's fine. You can do that. So that is how you graph the lines. And look at the lines. I want to show you one more thing. What if you saw this and you're not sure, you can't see where the lines cross? Well, you can move this until you see where they cross or don't cross. It's up to you. Enjoy the activity. Raise your hand if you need any help. And I hope you had fun doing this. I like doing it.